Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Want success in your daily life? Whether you're struggling with focus, success, or personal growth, I've got 5 powerful du'as that can help you achieve success, peace, and guidance every single day. Let's dive in. Du'a 1. Du'a for success in life. The first du'a we're going to talk about is the powerful Surah Al-Fatiha, first chapter of the Quran. It's not just the opening chapter of the Quran, but it's a beautiful prayer for guidance, yatin, mercy, and blessings. Reciting Al-Fatiha regularly helps align us with success in both this life and the hereafter. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha and briefly explain its meaning. Du'a 2. Du'a for patience and strength. For any difficulty you may face, here's a beautiful du'a for patience and strength from Surah At-Tawbah 9:51. Say, "Never will we be struck except by what Allah has decreed for us. He is our protector." This dua reminds us that every challenge is part of Allah's plan, and with patience, we will overcome it. Dua 3. Dua for blessings in sustenance. This next dua is for financial and personal well-being. The famous dua for barakah, blessings, in sustenance is Allahumma barik lana fi rizqina. It means, "O Allah, bless us in our sustenance." It's a powerful dua for anyone seeking prosperity and blessings in their daily provision. Dua 4. Dua for protection from harm. Now let's talk about a dua for protection from harm. The famous dua from Surah Al-Baqarah 2255 is Ayatul Kursi. It's known to protect you from any evil or danger. Reciting Ayatul Kursi after every prayer brings divine protection throughout the day. Recite Ayatul Kursi or mention its translation. Dua 5. Dua for guidance. Lastly, one of the most essential du'as is asking Allah for guidance. We often face difficult choices, and this du'a from Surah Al-Fatiha, "Guide us to the straight path," is a simple yet powerful prayer for direction and wisdom in every action. Explain how this du'a is recited at the beginning of every prayer and how its meaning reflects our constant need for guidance. There you have it. These 5 powerful du'as can transform your daily routine and help you align with success, peace, and protection. Try incorporating them into your daily life and see the change for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Islamic teachings and motivation. May Allah bless you all with success and peace. Jazakallah khair for watching. Comment below with your favorite dua or any duas that you'd like to share with others.